What is this game? It looks so shiny and interesting. So many pieces. All different shapes. I've never seen anything like this before.
Game, new game. Black pieces, white pieces. So many pieces, so many pieces. I want to play now. This looks fun, very fun.
These pieces are all different. Some are tall, some are small. I wonder what each one does. Do they all move the same way or differently?
This one goes here, and this one goes there. Move, move, move. Everything moves, everything moves. Haha, I like moving pieces.
Ah, I see you found the chessboard. This is a very special game. It's not just about moving pieces. It's about thinking carefully, planning ahead, and making smart decisions.
Thinking, planning, too many things. Too many things. I just want to move pieces. Why think so much? Move fast, play fast, win fast.
Let's start by setting the board properly. Each piece has its place, and every game begins the same way.
Oh, so there's a correct way to begin. That makes it more interesting. It's like preparing for something important.
Now that everything is ready, it's time to play your first game.
I'm ready. I want to try my best and see how this game works.
I'm ready to move. Pieces, win game. I will win. I will win. Let's play now. Let's play now.
And so, their chess adventure begins.
Before we play the game, we need to learn what each piece does. Each one is different, and each one moves in its own special way.
Different pieces, different moves. I want to learn. I want to learn. Show me, show me.
This is a pawn. It moves forward, one step at a time.
So it goes straight ahead, slow and steady. Just one step.
One step, one step. Forward only. No back. Slow but okay. I can do that.
This is the rook. It moves in straight lines. Forward, backward, and sideways.
It can go very far, as long as the path is clear.
This is the knight. It moves in a special shape, like the letter L, and it can jump over other pieces.
It can jump. That's very different.
Jump, jump. This one jumps over everything. Over everything? I like jumping. This is my favorite.
This is the bishop. It moves diagonally, sliding across the board.
It goes in a slanted line, not straight.
Slant, not straight. Diagonal, diagonal. Okay, I try remember.
This is the queen. She is the most powerful piece. She can move in any direction.
Wow, she can go everywhere. That's amazing.
Everywhere, everywhere. Best piece, strong piece. I want this one. I want this one.
This is the king. He moves one step at a time, and he is the most important piece. The goal of the game is to protect your king.
So even if other pieces are strong, the king is the one we must protect.
Now that you know the pieces, it's time to play a real game. Remember, think first, then move.
Okay, I will think carefully. I won't rush. I want to make a good move.
I play real game now. Think first, then move. Okay, I try.
I will start with a pawn. Just one step forward. Slow, but safe.
Think first. Not fast. Not messy. If I move here, what happens next? Think. Okay, I choose this move.
Every move changes the board. I need to watch carefully and see what you are planning.
I see. You move, then I move step by step. This is fun. I like this.
careful, George. Your king is in danger.
Danger! My king! Oh no, oh no! Protect the king! Protect the king! I must save him! I must save him now!
I fix it. I fix it. Move here. Protect king. Safe now. Safe now. I did it. I did it.
Good job, George. You're learning really fast. This is actually really fun. Thinking before moving makes the game exciting.
Not fast, but fun. Slow thinking. Good thinking. I like this game. I really like it.
Learning to think can turn any game into an adventure.
That was really fun. At first, I thought chess would be difficult. There were so many rules, and I didn't understand anything. But when I slowed down and started thinking carefully, everything became clearer and much more exciting.
I didn't like thinking before. I just wanted to move fast. Move everything. Fast, fast, fast. But now, I like slow thinking. Think first, then move. Calm, careful. I feel proud. I really do.
Learning something new can feel hard at first. But when we stay patient and keep trying, we can understand more than we expect.
Chess teaches us an important lesson: to think before we act and to stay calm, even when things are difficult.
I think today wasn't just about a game. It was about learning how to think and how to be patient.
Every great move begins with a simple thought. Do you want to try playing chess too?